You are not going to believe this. I tested GPT-4 against another language model and the results will shock you. For this, I used net.dev, which is a free website that allows you to test multiple different language models. As you can see here, they have many language models to choose from. But for this, I wanted to test out the best language models against each other. So I used the compare feature to see which gives us the best results. Firstly, I gave it a simple prompt. Create 10 social media posts for a labor lawyer in South Africa regarding the CCMA. Now the CCMA, as far as I know, is exclusive to South Africa. So I wanted to see whether the language models can pick that up. I looked for the most popular models. So I used GPT-4 and I used Claude by Anthropic. As you can see, both did pretty well. The one difference that I can see is that GPT-4 gave me emojis and they also gave me hashtags, whilst Claude just gave me the results only. But one thing that I did notice is the results that were given by Claude was actually better, in my opinion, than GPT-4. So let's give it a more complex task, but one that requires a shorter answer. So for this, I asked it to create a YouTube title and I gave it this whole reference. So I gave it some sample titles, I even gave it my video script, and then I asked it to create a YouTube title based on the sample data that I gave it. Now, as you can see, GPT-4 just gave me one answer. Claude, on the other hand, gave me two options and it also told me why it gave me those options. So for example, let me just read one. GPT-4 revealed the future is here, AI leaps ahead again. As you can see, certain words are in brackets and there are exclamation marks, etc. But let's look at the reasoning. So it's telling me I aim to make an eye-catching and dramatic title highlighting the key revelations and advancements discussed in your script regarding GPT-4 and GPT+. I used an exclamation point for emphasis and included compelling phrases like the future is here and mind blown to capture attention and interest. The colon in the main title creates intrigue about what will be revealed. Overall, it follows the enthusiastic, hyperbolic style of the sample titles, utilizing emotive language for maximum impact. Please let me know if you would like any modifications to the suggested title. I am happy to refine and improve it. So as you can see, the results that Claude gave me were actually better, but on top of that, it actually gave me a reasoning of why it created the output. This is pretty mind-blowing. So I'm really impressed with Claude and I'm on the waiting list to get my own access to it and test it out properly. I also found something very interesting. I found out that Google has actually invested in Claude. So the future of AI is really exciting. Follow me for more on AI and marketing.